My lord, is that legal?
I will make it legal.
People often ask what it takes to be happy, and I just need one thing to be happy, and that's time for watching anime with the boys.
Yay!
Especially when you can watch anime with your boys who live all the way across the country from you.
Nani?
And you're watching anime as an anime character. I don't know what kind of ironic plot twist it is that I can now, as an adult, watch my favorite cartoons as a cartoon character. Like, I'd never imagined as a kid that this would be my life now as an adult. But you know what? I'm not mad. Especially because I can not only do it with the boys, but with my girl too.
Hi.
Oh, hi. You just kind of came on closer over here, didn't you?
Most of you probably don't know what it's like to have a girlfriend, so you'll just have to settle with one of your homies using one of those anime girl avatars for the time being.
Babe, come here in bed with me. Let's watch some anime. You guys can cuddle too if you want.
It was also epic having an impromptu mosh thanks to the epic hardcore metal outro song of Asobi Asobase. Anyways, we found two worlds that have pretty much any movie, TV show, anime series, both dubbed and subbed by the way, that we could collectively think of in our small brains. And it is kind of amazing. Setting it up to work is also ridiculously easy. You just go to your settings, select allow from untrusted URLs, and that's it. Pick a movie from the list on the wall and you're done. It may have taken us half an hour to figure that out since we didn't read the giant sign that prevents you from going into the rest of the world before hitting that I understand button, but that's fine, right?
It worked. You just had to allow untrusted URLs. We're all just idiots.
If you run into issues, you can always hit the sync button, but we never had to do that. It usually just works, and it works this way for both of the worlds that we tried. Literally, the only other issues we had was trying to turn on the couch sitting option so we could actually sit down for the movie.
This is great. Just a bunch of friends hanging out, watching anime, sitting on the couch.
And once we did figure out how to sit on the couch, we had to figure out how to sit down without looking absolutely stupid.
Did you just come from Horizon Worlds? Because you're missing something.
No, I'm just a natural born amputee.
All I can see is your titties. I'm not complaining, but that's literally all I can see.
You look like you're trying to take a dump like Amber Heard on the bed.
The first world, Movie and Chill, was the original world I found with this setup where you can watch basically anything, and it's already really popular. It gets updated a lot with new content and new areas to explore, and the only thing I don't like about it is how cluttered everything feels with all the posters and objects everywhere.
What the fuck is that?
It's an ass. You've never seen an ass before?
But honestly, even with how cluttered it is, you can turn off the posters and everything, so I can't really complain. It also has some really cool extra games, objects, and stuff you can spawn in, like chess, pool table, and a playable piano. And in Movie and Chill, you can watch movies in a private room, in bed, or in a massive rooftop theater.
I love this. They're so cute.
The equivalent exchange.
Just fucking fill up the world.
The second world we tried, LS Media, was really clean, nice looking, and even had a hot tub where you could watch movies.
Have you seen Solar, Stinky Banana Peel? I'm wondering where they're at.
Let me get that fucking cock.
It also had a pool table, a bedroom, and a panic room.
What do you think this room is for?
Is this the panic room?
There's a perfectly good reason for you to panic because your legs are broken.
What are you talking about? They look perfectly normal to me. I think you need to do more yoga.
Overall, I think I like LS Media better. I just like the vibe, the cleaner aesthetic, and everything. So that's what we're probably going to be using to watch movies going forward. Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering if it's actually worth watching movies and TV shows in a headset, the answer is yes, absolutely. Of course, you're not getting a 4K quality cinematic experience like you would with a good TV at home, but in VR, I can have a screen way bigger than I could ever afford to have at home, and it looks amazing. Again, how it looks for you personally depends on what headset you're using and its resolution, but on the Quest 2, I had no problems watching some more casual shows and anime. I probably wouldn't watch a cinematic masterpiece here for the first time, but for more casual stuff and hanging out with friends, it is surprising how good it looks in the headset. Definitely something worth trying if you haven't already. I want to thank my Patreon and YouTube members. I'm not sure why you give me your money to watch cartoons, but thank you. I appreciate it.
Wait. Do you know that you're touching my boobs? I thought you were trying to hold my hand, and then I looked up, and it was like you're groping my boobs.
You want a back massage?
You're like whispering my back of my head.
Bro, just relax. Just relax. I'm going to give you a back massage. We're going to watch some anime with a back massage.
How about you whisper in my ear? I can hear you on my left side.
Hentai is better than porn.
I love hentai, bro.
Theory that hentai
They have
is more
seasons.
ethical
Porn
than porn
doesn't.
because hentai is consensual, but you don't know if it's consensual in porn. But hentai.
Not all of it. Let me find my personal space button.
You know tentacle monsters exist in hentai, right?
Wait, what?
But that's still ethical, right? I mean, there aren't actual real tentacle monsters to complain about the way they're portrayed in hentai.
Can we put it on?
Are you wanting to watch hentai with the homies? Let's not. Let's not do that.
Bro, I'm not.
Yeah, not today. No.
No homo. No homo.
Not today. Hey, I'm wearing socks right now. Okay.
It works. It's fine.
My socks are on. It's okay.